Hey folks, Garren here with Millner Tools. Wanted to talk real quick about our grinding wheels, and specifically something we've gotten a lot of questions for lately. After Dirt Monkey put up the video of us from SEMA of our grinding wheels, a lot of folks are asking, hey, how's that wheel stay so cool? Well, short answer is those 8 cooling slots. They work like a vented brake rotor. We actually didn't have them on our previous design, but we added them 3-4 years ago. Keeps the wheel much cooler. Not only does it keep it cooler, it also cools it down quicker. Again, like a vented brake rotor. So I hope that explains why that wheel stayed so much cooler. I'll give you an example here. Now right off the cut, that wheel's hot. I don't want to keep my fingers on it for very long. Give it a couple seconds so that draws the air in. I could keep my fingers on that as long as I wanted to. So I hope that does explain it. Also of note, we put those same type cooling slots on almost all of our wheels, whether it be our step cut wheels, which are designed specifically for cutting, even our die grinding wheels, which are designed for cutting and grinding as well on a die grinder. Notice they all have the cooling slots. Thanks again for looking. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us.